What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. I love my Osmo Pocket. I was looking for a quite good case. Normally I have this, I love MegaGear. They do not send me any case for review. This one I my personal own money. If they want to send me anything to review, feel free. This one I love it for my Osmo Action because this case is so nice. But I was looking to buy something new, something unique, so I bought this leather case for the Osmo Pocket. This is a real handmade leather for 20 bucks. 20 bucks. If this leather is good, I'm willing to pay 50 bucks. I have no idea. Okay. Let me just open it. Come on. Okay. Well, okay, something fell down. Let me see. Okay, this is I think the leather. It seems quite nice just for a sample. Okay, quite nice. Nothing special inside. What this says. Thank you for choosing the natural leather product. Okay, it's quite nice. Let me just put aside. I'll write this one. This like I'm getting a Whopper. Okay, the first impression is that this is quite nice. I really wanna be honest here. This is very beautiful. This is real leather. I can smell the leather. I'm really liking it. You can even this. Of course, I'm not using a case. You can easily fit with a case. If you fit like this. I won't recommend it. There's too much space. I will be using its own case. Still, you see, there's too much space. But overall, I'm liking it. To be honest with you, can I fit something like this? No, I can't like this. I'm fit like this. Okay, here we go. Let me just. Only downside is that there's no charging. Yeah, we have charging, man. We are charging. Wow, I'm super happy. I'm happy now. I am happy. Jimmy Geek is now happy. And then we can easily charge it. Okay, can I see? No, this one is for charging. I'm getting a little bit confused here. Excuse me. Because this is supposed to fit like this, right? Okay. Okay, yeah, like this I can charge, which is a good thing, as you can see. Because I'm using this fat. I'm using this fat. The gimbal protector. I will just put like this. Okay. I'm just going to put in other way, like this will be best for me. I mean like this I want. Okay, just close it. The main reason I bought is because it have a belt. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I can easily fit on my belt. I'm really very happy. And this one is the strap, which I can use here, I think so. Overall, 10 out of 10. This is the most beautiful masterpiece. I mean, you can get in black or this leather. Okay, let me just clean it, to be honest with you. Overall, I really like it. At the end of the day, this is a must buy. I can easily recommend it. So yeah, it was me, none other than Jimmy Geek. Subscribe.